for example, we made a decision the end of last year to get a ChatGPT Enterprise agreement, and it was a defensive move because we knew people were using the free version.
Yep.
So that was a risk-based decision that incurred a cost on the organization, but the cost of the data going out of the business and going into these models was so high. We were like, no, we have to do this.
Somehow, yeah.
And what's interesting is initially when we put out the agreement, I think we had 150 requests for licenses. And since then, when I look at it now, there's maybe 600. And I did a survey to say, are you getting value, or do you want to hand back your license? And the responses I got were, please do not take this away from me. Just don't take it away. So I guess in answer to your question, I think sometimes, and it's not always true for every organization, but as long as there are people, like an Arash, a CTO, advising the organization based on some of the risks and the opportunities, then that's kind of where the conversation comes from. It's almost like the rise of the technology innovation person into the boardroom to say, this is where we kind of prove our mettle a little bit here and help guide you on some of these decisions. But ultimately, sometimes it can just be defensive, and it's, a pretty clear-cut decision.